The murder case against Kenneth DeHart will go to a grand jury. We found out yesterday as the man accused of killing one Blount County Sheriff's deputy and wounding another was in court for a preliminary hearing. It had the feeling of a mini trial with the surviving deputy taking the stand and body cam video played for the court. We want to learn more today about this step in the process and what it means for the DeHart case. So we turn to WATE 6 on your side legal expert, Greg Isaacs. Greg, thank you so much for joining us.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Let's talk about a preliminary hearing. What does this accomplish?
Tennessee has 3 levels. Once you're a citizen accused of a crime, of courts. Sessions Court, which is a screening court where the judge finds if there's probable cause. It's kind of like tipping the scales of justice, 51 to 49, that you committed the offense you're charged with. Then the case proceeds to the grand jury if that finding is made. The grand jury does not determine guilt or innocence, but probable cause once again, and then the case winds up in criminal court.
And the defense asked for a change to the charges, so explain that.
Wow, so you can do 2 things in a preliminary hearing. One, you want to attack the charges and say the state cannot make their burden, even though it's low. And in this case, what the defense was doing is saying that this was not a premeditated first-degree case as charged. And what does that mean? Premeditation means planned. So what they were arguing, this was a knowing killing, second-degree murder, which would take the case down from a 60-year sentencing exposure for first degree to 15 to 25 for second. Judge Brewer was having none of that, and all day, a lot of motions were made and a lot of motions denied, but he ruled there was sufficient probable cause and bound the case over to the grand jury.
Now, let me ask you this. Premeditation is not what people think. It's not like somebody sat at home and said, I'm going to go kill somebody.
The defense wants premeditation to be planning that takes forever. However, under Tennessee law, our Supreme Court has said premeditation can be formed in an instant. And yet this case was also interesting because the elected DA, Ryan Desmond, was there conducting this preliminary hearing himself, and he came out swinging, Lori. The defense wanted a continuance for DeHart to hire his own private counsel. Ryan fired back. He's had 12 days. That's enough. And there was highlights. You know, you have to wonder why they had a preliminary hearing when you have the body cam that depicted this horrific, violent act from beginning to end. But he pointed out that DeHart was asked to exit the vehicle 37 times.
Wow.
And you know, when the officer Eggers testified, I mean, that packed courtroom, there was just lasers, and you could feel the emotion. So in a case like this, very different, but now it's in the Blount County grand jury.
All right, we'll be watching. Greg, thank you. If you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday right here at 5:30 on WATE 6 on your side.